Hello, this is my application for the Boat Hackathon 2025. The name of my application is called Legacy Code. Legacy Code preserve your most precious memories, wisdom, and love for future generations with blockchain secured digital themed time capsules. What it allows you to do is create a time capsules off of real world examples that allow you to save it and preserve it for future generations to share with them, provide with them, or give to them as a gift. Some of the time capsules you can create are messages, videos, keepsakes, old recipes, audio, pictures, of course, that allows you to preserve these information from one generation to the next amongst family members. One of the reasons why I created Legacy Codes because earlier this year I had went to several funerals of three different loved ones that happened in the first 2 months. And I realized that there was a wealth of information that is only captured in our hearts and minds on paper and pictures that the newer generation do not keep up with. So there has to be a way that we have to preserve the memories, the pictures, the stories, the recipes, and everything in between for the next generation to build upon. So that's what legacy allows you to do. A legacy code also allows you to create unlock codes where this feature allows you to unlock the time capsule at your predetermined time based off a question and answer, based off a payment system or a price being given to the actual capsule by a QR code or location based capsule or token gated capsule. So allow me to go ahead and show you how legacy code work. And beforehand, what I would like to explain that currently legacy code is only launched on the Sequoia test network. So that means you would need a Sequoia test wallet and you will also need some of their Sequoia ETH tokens for the Sequoia test network. So make sure that you have Sequoia wallet on your Google Chrome as well as the Ether that is required to use legacy code. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my wallet. I'm going to use MetaMask because I'm using the MetaMask extension for Sequoia. My Sequoia wallet, you can see that I have some Sequoia in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect to it, and it does see my wallet here, presented here, and presented here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my legacy, and I'm going to create the first time capsule. I'm going to create a time capsule called My Dad. Yeah, my dad and my daughter. Forgive my spelling. I'm trying to record and look at the screen at the same time. Okay, so that's the title of my time capsule. And I'm going to write a text message, but I'm also going to add a photo of my dad and my daughter together. And I believe it's this one here. Some years ago, my dad is passed now, so this should be perfect for the type of situation where I want to give a gift to my daughter, who probably doesn't even have any pictures of her granddad, let alone together. So this would be perfect for her because she can pull out her wallet at any time, download the picture, print it out, or just to take a look at his face one more time and hear his voice. So I'm going to say, I found this picture of you, my dad, and him together. Boy, I'm gonna say something smart, of course. Musta. Okay, so enough of that. So if I have my daughter's wallet address, I can actually create this time capsule and send it to her. But I'm going to leave this blank for now. As you can see, it's optional. And I'm going to put life lesson, a connected event. I'm going to say grandchildren as the connected event. Actually, And that's his first grandchild. So I'll put it like that. And we're going to go to the unlock rules. Now, the unlock rules allow you, when you create your time capsule, it's going to be locked. And you will have possession of that capsule until you release it. The unlock rule allows the time capsule to be viewed on IPSS. So the unlock rule can be passphrase, it can be a Q&A, it can be a payment to unlock the ETH, it could be a QR code with another passphrase that a QR code is generated from. It could be based off a location. Uh, Originally, I had this for a GPS, but I scaled it down just for this hackathon. So there's just a listing of the location. So the idea is that if you're in New York, this time capsule can unlock and you can view its contents. The unlock rule can be a token where you would provide an ERC20 token and an NFT token. And they need to own the tokens required to unlock the capsule. The rule can be a quiz where it just be a set of question and answers. And then it could be time, meaning a future date in history. I'm sorry, in the future. What I'm going to do is a passphrase, and I'm going to type in love. Next, we're going to finalize the capsule. You're going to get this message of all the fields that you just completed. And then we're going to go ahead and pay the ETH to mint. It's connecting to my MetaMask Sepolia wallet. I'll go ahead and confirm that transaction. And in just a few moments, you'll get a success page. And there it is. NFT capsule created successfully, my dad and my daughter. Has a QR code. There's the link for the metadata. The transaction hash tells you that the blockchain is minted and it's stored on the IPFS. In this case, it's Pinata. So we continue to finalize, and I'm going to come back to this unlock capsule. But what I'm going to do is go up to my capsule, and what you will see is number 4, my dad and my daughter. And you can see the information about the capsule and who the owner is, which is, again, my wallet. I'm still the owner until I transfer it. You can see also that it's still locked until I unlock it. So let's go ahead and unlock it. So I'll go back to view, hit unlock, and I think I put in love. And we should be able to go through the wallet in Sepolia to unlock it and confirm. And we should get another confirmation that it's unlocked successfully. There we have it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to close this and we're going to go to our time capsules, and then we should see it unlock now, which we do. At this point, I can transfer the capsule. I can always view the contents of the capsule, and everything is stored on IPFS for future generations to use. My daughter can keep this for her children, or she can pass it along to her siblings if she wants and share it with others, or however she decides. And that is mostly it of the legacy code. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My name is Lalo, and I created legacy code for the Boat Hackathon 2025 that is actually due in less than 3 hours. So thank you for your time and have a great day.